Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday, March the 4th, 2024. We have here 3 puzzles already solved, the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch they call it Cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru. And this one will be number 8127. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16. Alright, 16. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. Don't think so. Is this really 4 stars? Don't think so. Alright, but it's indicated with 4 stars. So let's get started. Alright, first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see only one single box here. Always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? I see here a dual box. Contains the 1 and 2. Well, this box can be a 1. So only one box left for the 1 should be here. And the other box should be the 2. Do we have more dual boxes? No. How about... No. We have also here a dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here only one triple box. This is the only one, a triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 3, yes. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the only box left for the 1 in this triple box should be here. So the 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3, 2 and 3. And the 4 is already filled in here. This box, the inside box, could be 4 or a 5. Well, the 4 is already given. Alright. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Let me check for quadra boxes here. No quadra boxes here. That means my next strategy is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. How about the Z construction? Let me draw the Z construction here. If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the Z. Alright. How about this box? Has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Alright. Only one Z construction. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. Where you see this kind of shape? Remember. That this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And we have the L shape. It's mirrored. Let me draw this box here. Where you see the L shape? Remember. This box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. The L shape. Do we have more L shapes in this puzzle? Yeah, here. Another one upside down. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 or a 2. Well, we have a 2 here, so it can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. Is connected with that box, should be also 1. And this one is also connected with that box, should be also 1. So 1 digit left in this dual box for number 2. Alright, L shape. Do we have more L shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 or a 3. Is also connected with that box, so we should 2 or a 3. And here we have another one, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box. We have more here. Another one. This box has the same number as that box. So it's 2 or 3 there. Alright, 2 or 3 there. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 3 boxes, surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Then let me see. How about this box can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area. Should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Then. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 in this area could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here or here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So these 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Then these 2 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here or here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 is supposed to be here or there. Alright. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be here. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. Alright. So I need a 5 here in this Z construction. So the 5 could be here. Could be there. Okay. Well. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. Is connected with that box should be also 2. Is also connected with this box should be also a 2. Is also connected with that box should be also a 2. So 1 box left in this triple box for number 3. Well, this box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5. Alright. Well. This box can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. This box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. This box can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 5 has appeared. So 1 is left in this area for number 3. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. I think this box should be 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing, 2 and the 4. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2, those 2 boxes can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in these 2 boxes. That's a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. So I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes here. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. This box is connected with that box, so we should also 2 and a 4. But we already have a 4 there, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 2 then. Is connected with that box, so we should 2. So 1 box left in this area for number 4 then. And this box is connected with that box, so we also have 4. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 2. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here, 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there, 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. This box can be 2, this box can be 1. So the 2 and the 1 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for number 3. Then, yeah. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If you place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. Well, I cannot place the 1 here because we have a double 1 there. If you place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 4, the 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. And now, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape should be here. These 2 boxes can be 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this W area shape should be here. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 4 goes there. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. So 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes early with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1. 1 box left in this W area shape for number 3. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 3 goes there. 2 and 1, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, the 1 goes there. 2 and 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes in there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box will be 3, and I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Alright, 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Finished in 14 minutes. Well, not the 4 stars, not the 3 stars, not the 2 stars. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button. Hit the button, yeah, to be no, well, forgot my line. Yeah, having a blackout. Well, tell you next time then. I'm tired. It's in the evening. It's a long day for me. So, see you tomorrow. Tomorrow, new puzzles, new day. Until then, bye bye for now.